Now we will make the first part of knuckle joint eye end. So select front plane, sketch, select circle and draw two circles with origin point and keep the diameter 100 mm, 100 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Okay. Now here we selected the dimension centimeter. Okay. Select center line and draw one horizontal center line. Make sure it is horizontal. Select corner rectangle, select the circle. Okay. Now select these three lines and make relation symmetric. Now select this width, height 60 mm and the distance from this end 140 centimeter. Okay. Now choose trim entities, delete inside lines. Okay. Select sketch fillet and keep this one 50 centi. Select this line and this circle the same as opposite direction. Okay. Now let extrude it. Select extruded boss and extrude up to 60 centimeter. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Here draw one circle and keep the diameter 50 centi and the distance from origin point keep 30 centimeter. Okay, and select the midpoint of circle and origin point and make a relation horizontal. Okay, select a line and we want to make some relation here. Draw a one triangle and assign the dimension for triangle 18.06 centi. Select OK. Now choose circular pattern. Select this as a center point and select these three triangles. Center point delete and select this as a center point. We want 4 number of patterns. Select OK. Now see here selected. Now exit from the sketch and select extruded boss. In feature pattern clear, select these 4 patterns, only 4 not circle. Sorry, we want to make extrude cut. Select this corner pattern only and cut up to 60 centi inside. Okay. Now again choose this sketch and select extruded cut and here select only center point. Oh sorry, we want to extrude this time. This time select only circle and extrude up to 120.5 centi. Okay. Choose fillet, keep 12 centi and select this all 4 corners. Okay. Now our first part eye end ready. Select metal and give brush finish to whole body.